Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's vlog is going to be a weekend in my life kind of thing, or just a little daily vlog that I wanted to show you guys a little bit into my life. So today's Saturday. I'm going to film today and tomorrow, and today we are going to Target and Chipotle, and let's see what I get in Target. But yeah, and then when we get home we'll probably be organizing my room or something, or like I don't know what, but just stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So it's actually pretty nice outside. It's cool out. It's not that hot today. And it's the afternoon, so we're gonna have lunch. We just really woke up like probably an hour or two ago. So we're gonna have lunch at Chipotle, like I said. And go shop in Target. Hi, can I get a bowl, please? Oh, white rice?
Yeah, get that.
And then black beans?
Oh, sorry, can I get a
Can I get steak? Can I get the pico de gallo?
is this a bowl?
Do you want pico de gallo too?
Yep.
Can I get corn, cheese, and lettuce? And then the sour cream on the side, please. Does this smell? Oh, this is the one I put in.
You Nespresso machine for your birthday.
This smells good. They all smell the same. We'll do this ocean mist one. So the two things that I was actually gonna get, they didn't have in Target, so we're gonna go to Walgreens to get them. Is there a garbage around here?
No. In the front of the store.
So we're gonna have to get them in Walgreens. I'm gonna put it over here. Now it's getting hot. It was cooler this morning, but it's still nice. They didn't have it again.
Huh?
They didn't have it.
That pants either?
Oh, I didn't look for that actually. I was looking at the stuff for my face.
What's this retard doing? Why are they backing up so far away from something? Where are they backing up? I mean, there's no parking spot around here.
Okay, so I got in Target This book, it's called the Every Summer After. I had put this in my Amazon cart. So when I saw it, I'm like, oh, let me just get it here in Target. I also read the stand-in, like I said, in my current favorites video. And it was pretty good. I liked it. It was like a twist at the end, so it's good. I rate that book a 5 out of 5. But I do also have the other book that I showed you guys in my current favorites that I still have to read, so I have to read that one. I'll probably read this after I read the other one, which is the Spanish Love Deception, I believe that's what it's called. And then I also got soap, and this is the Dove Coconut Cocoa Butters one. I never tried this one, so I'm gonna try. I usually do the green one or the blue one, but this time I'm gonna try the coconut one. And then I also got the teas too, but the fruit punches. But yeah, those are basically the two things that I got in Target. And now we're gonna go to my brother's house. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So my shirt is from a cheap store by my house. Jeans are 7 jeans. I got my Vans on, and then this bag I got from Key West. Workout.
Oh, you do drink it.
Scotland money. It's the Queen of England. £1 with the Queen of England. She's older. My brother's stash from school. It's the next day. Let's go to the supermarket. So, not gonna lie, I didn't film that much on Sunday. So it's Tuesday now, and I'm gonna clean my room a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys cleaning my desk, putting away my clothes, well, hanging out my clothes and my velvet hangers and all that stuff, so you guys could see more content. And I don't know, this pimple just popped up this morning, so don't mind that. But other than that, I think my face is pretty clear, even though I have like a few bumps. But yeah, this one. So I actually have like stuff to do on my computer, so on my laptop, so I'm gonna send out some emails and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna time lapse that.